Hello my crazy crafters, this is Lisa Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be preparing to bling out these CROCS, but first I am going to go through the before prep part, and I thought that I would show you guys what I do because I told you on the last one I think it took me the longest just trying to figure out what I wanted to put on it, but I wanted to show you how I make my own gibbets or the things that go in the crock. And I use all sorts of things, like this is earrings. I believe I got them from the dollar store or the jewelry supply store. So what I do is take the back off. I just keep the back so I don't even know if I ever use them again, but and then I just take this off. And see, normally it snaps right off. And then sometimes it'll be flat. Like if I could still glue this on a shoe just like that if I want to. I'll get a little piece of sandpaper. Scrub it. Actually, it looks like it's a little like... Now I recommend also, if you're gonna be doing this, to wear protective eye gear, just in case if a piece pop off, you won't be blind. Then you won't be able to blink your CROCS out. So if you want to like snip at it, and I'm just chiseling it down per se. See, look, a piece flew over there. Now, that's good enough, really. See, you still have a little piece on it, but it's still flat enough. So now what you can do is, of course, you can glue it on like this, right? And if you want to make a gibbet, which is what you call the croc jewelry, I ordered these from Amazon. And this is a pack of, oh geez, 500 pieces. And I want to say it was like really cheap. But these are the backs, which is the part that stick in the crock. Let me show you. You know, when you have your charms or your pieces, you have this that's on the back. That's what this is. And so they have clear, or they also have black. So it really depends on your shoe and the color pattern. What color you want to use is up to you. So all I have to do is take this, and you're gonna glue the bigger part on it, because this small part is what snaps in the crock hole. See? And if you want to put that in there and then glue this on, you can do that. But it's up to you. So, but I am going to do it like this so you guys can see. And I am going to also use UV resin to do this. Let me see if this one is working. Because it was, last time it was stuck. Actually, what I think happened is I had accidentally put the flashlight on it, and see, I think it's in there, but I think I cured it right there. So I'm gonna have to get something to stick in there, but I think this one has some in it. And this is just UV resin. All you need is a UV light to set it. So that's what we're gonna do now. So you can make your own pieces out of anything. Let's see. Oh, okay, whoa, it is some in here, and And also, I have my gloves right there. And I would most definitely recommend that you wear them. See, like just for mistakes like that. So, but I'll go ahead and finish this. I'm trying to stay in view so you can see. I'm just gonna put a little dab here. I gotta come back down now. Okay. So I'll put a little dab there. And sit it down like that. And you can also wear a mask because this, it could get pretty strong. I mean, they have some that's not as strong. So I'm just gonna sit that right there. I'm just gonna push it down a little bit. Put my UV light on it. It's already, look, my finger's stuck. Look, it's already stuck. It's kind of seals instantly. It don't take long at all. So make sure whatever you're putting down that you're trying to stick together, as soon, you make sure that's in the place, because as soon as that light touch it, it's cured. See, it's already cured. So I just kind of like make sure. And see how quick that was? And now you have your own gibbet. Now look. Bada bing, bada bang. See? Isn't that cool? And look, you get this for $1, maybe say $2, but you have 2 for 8 pieces. You got 8 of these. So that's one. Let's see, and another thing, and again, I am a dollar store beauty supply jewelry fanatic, okay? Because they normally have it for like 99 cents, 149. And I would do the same with this. I had another one. This will be okay, but so what I do is this earring, I just take the back off here. And some, it just depends. Let me see. I'm gonna take it off, but like this actually has an opening, so you're gonna pretty much, you're gonna put glue in here, but you're gonna make sure that you have it around. Or we can put a gibbet on it. How about that? So if I wanted to, it depends on where I would place this. I could just glue it on the shoe. Wherever it's flat, because I mean, you want to make sure that it's going to be flush to the shoe. And once you put your E6000 and it dries and cures, you're good. And I'll still, even though I have these, I'll still secure these with glue. But I am going to go ahead and put this on there. Sure, let's do it again. See, I don't need to sand that or nothing. It's not sitting flat. Got the little piece right there. So I'm gonna have to put it right here. Which is all right with me. Let's cure this baby. Again, remember I told you instant? Instant. See, instant. So make sure that once that you have it where you want it to stay once you put the light on it. And make sure that your UV resin is not in direction of your light, because it will cure it in the bottle. And I just took this little bottle and put this from my big bottle in there. Bada bing, bada bang. Look, I don't know if you saw it, I kind of cured it to the glass. So, see? You got a cool little charm. You can put it anywhere. And what I'll do is I'll still make sure it's in a flat spot wherever I choose to put it. And I will glue it though. I will glue it. So see, you guys can make simple little things. Again, this is what I use. Jewelry from the dollar store, the beauty supply. So I think that's it. I just want to show you guys that really quick. These are some more earrings. This came with 12. So you guys, so you can make your own stuff. And it's easy. It's easy. Because look, if you buy this from somebody, this is probably going to be about $4.99, $5.99. It just really depends on who you're getting it from. And you could make your own. It's that simple. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you guys, and then I'm going to start prepping for the rest of this. So, but I will end this. With that, I wanted to show you. Oh, wait, one more thing. I also wanted to show you this necklace I got from the beauty supply. Now you know I got all they had. They didn't have that many, but I bought them all. I think they had like 5 or 6. They were $1.99. It came with this necklace and these 2 little earrings. I probably won't do, I mean, I could use them, but they're little. But this is what I wanted. This right here. So all I do is just take this. Matter of fact, I just, it really depends on this right here. Sometimes I take this off, sometimes I don't. Because all I have to do is put a, let me show you. I was clamped on. Let me see if I can open this. Okay. So sometimes I will just leave it like this. And it's in this right here, I would just put like I'll just glue a rhinestone right there. Look. I don't even take it off. I think I like it when I can put it, just put a rhinestone there. Put it any color you want. Even if you want to put rhinestones on here over these, you can. It's yours. You can do what you want. So see how simple that is? Now y'all know this would have been, I got this for $2. If y'all buy this with this bling in it from somebody who's selling charms, and I'm not saying don't, but I'm just saying, I mean, some people don't like doing the stuff they sell. They rather buy it. If that's your cup of tea, go right ahead, sip away. But I mean, for the other people who saving money, who want to just do this, it's easy. So I just wanted you guys to know that it's easier than it looks, or that you know, when you think that you see it and be like, I can't do that, because you see all of this stuff. A lot of it already come on there. You just doing the simple part. So I thought I'd show you guys what I did, what I came across. Bada bing, bada bang. So I hope you guys explore your options, making your own gibbets, charms, and thank you for watching. I love you, mean it. I'm doing me. I'll pray for you and you pray for me. So I will see you guys on the flip side when I get ready to do the actual CROCS. So bye for now.